Hello everyone! The goal of today's video is to make a two-dimensional array out of an image that we could sort. Let's start. I've uploaded an image here, and this is a preload function. It starts right before the setup function to load media. We are loading our image here and output it here. Let's check it out. Yeah. The next step that we need to do is to create a custom image class. It accepts an image as input. This will be our array. Since we want to sort our image, each pixel can correspond to some number. For example, the pixel column number. So we need another class to store pixel color together with a column number, like this. Let's fill in our array. We need to load the pixels of the image to access them. After use, we need to update them. In these cycles, we go through the indexes of all rows and columns. The index of the current pixel is calculated like this. But there is a trap here. Each pixel in the image consists of 4 values of RGBA. Moreover, it is arranged so that the first pixel occupies the first 4 elements of the image array, the second the next 4, and so on. Therefore, the indexes of each pixel must be multiplied by 4. After that, we can extract the color values. Color is also an array. Next, let's add a color with the column number to the array. Here we create an object of our additional class. And that's all. It remains to check if all this works. Let's create a draw method. Here we are loading the pixels of the canvas, not the image. Then we extract the image object from the array and copy the color values. Let's add the file to the index. And let's try to upload the image using the class. Since we use pixel by pixel output, it is necessary to use pixel density equal to 1. Let's run it. It works. I would also like to shuffle our array now and see what happens to the image. Here we go through all the rows of the image. And using the built-in shuffle function, we mix the pixels inside each row. Let's call this method and check the results. It's done. All right, goodbye.